Windstorm Coverage, what homeowners need to know. Are you a homeowner wondering about windstorm coverage and how it impacts your insurance? Let's break down what you need to know to keep your home protected. Windstorm coverage is a key part of home insurance, especially for those living in areas prone to severe weather. This type of coverage protects against damage caused by high winds, hail, hurricanes, and tornadoes. When a windstorm hits, this coverage typically helps pay for repairs or replacements for your roof, windows, siding, and exterior walls. It can even cover attached structures like garages and decks. If a storm causes damage that lets wind or rain inside your home, some of your personal property may also be covered. Most standard homeowners insurance policies, like the common homeowners policy from 3, include windstorm and hail coverage as part of the insured risks. However, this can vary based on your location and the insurance company. In coastal areas, where severe windstorms are more common, windstorm coverage might not be included in your standard policy. You may need to purchase a separate windstorm insurance policy. For example, in Texas, homeowners often buy specialized windstorm insurance through the Texas Windstorm Insurance Association. It is essential to know that while windstorm coverage protects against damage from wind or hail, it usually does not cover flooding or water damage. If water enters your home through a wind-created opening, like a broken window, that damage may be covered. However, flooding from hurricanes or tropical storms typically requires separate flood insurance. Homeowners should carefully review their policies to understand the specifics of their windstorm coverage. This includes any special deductibles for wind-related claims, coverage limits, and exclusions. Some policies may have higher deductibles for hurricanes or named windstorms. Knowing these details can help you prepare financially and ensure you have the right protection. In summary, windstorm coverage is vital for homeowners in areas at risk of strong winds and storms. It covers physical damage to your home and sometimes personal property from wind and hail. However, it does not cover flooding unless it results from wind damage. If your standard policy excludes windstorm coverage, consider purchasing a separate policy to fully protect your home from wind-related damage. Always verify your coverage and consider additional options if necessary to safeguard your home.